Hello guys, welcome back to the Machine Design Engineer YouTube channel. In previous video, we learned Smart Dimension command and what is a driven dimension and driven dimension. In this video, we will learn four most important commands in SolidWorks sketching. First is trim, offset, extend, and mirror entities. Why these four commands? Because these four commands are used in every industrial part design. And we know every part design start from sketch, and in every sketch we need trim, extend, offset, and mirror entities command. So that we choose these four commands for today's video. These tools are used daily by professional design engineers and will help you to create clean and accurate sketches quickly. First, start with the trim entities. What is a trim entities? Trim entities command remove unwanted sketches from sketch geometry. Start with example. Open SolidWorks. Click on File, Sketch tab. Select Sketch. Select Front Plane. Draw a 2-point rectangle. Give dimension 50 mm. 50 mm, 100 mm, and now select a line command and draw a line here. Escape. Select a smart dimension and give dimension 25 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. Select a trim entities command, click on here and drag here, so it will remove unwanted sketches, line entities in a geometry. Select smart dimension command, give dimension 25 mm. Okay. Press escape. Select this point and this point. Press Ctrl, select this point and this point, make it horizontal. Now, two lines are black and two lines are blue. It means it's an underdefined sketch. Give dimension here 75 mm and width is 50 mm. Now, our sketch is fully defined sketch. Select again line command and draw a line from here to here. Press escape. Select trim entities. Delete this line. In the trim entities command, select drop down and click on extend entities. Click on this line. Click on this line. Select a smart dimension command and give dimension to this line 100 mm. Now our sketch makes fully defined. You can see by using a trim entities and extend entities command, we can easily create a sketch entities. We can have flexibility to modify our existing sketch. Now start to learn offset entities. First, to understand offset entities command, we will create a 3D part from this sketch. Click on feature, select extruded boss, select 50 mm dimension and reverse direction. Click on yes, press escape command. Select extrude cut command, click on this face and select convert entities command. Exactly right hand side of trim entities command, select convert entities, click on this edge, click on this edge, this and this edge. Click on OK. You can see the black color rectangular shape as it is 100 by 50 mm created by using a convert entities command. And select offset entities command. You can check The yellow color rectangular is already show because here is a 10 mm dimension. We can select escape command, select on convert entity, select chain, this line, and click here. Okay. Drag this, select offset entities command and make dimension 5 mm. Reverse direction, select yes and exit sketch. Now select end condition through all. Select yes command. Sorry, delete this extrude cut. Select counters. Select this. Select inside face. Click on yes. Now inside material get removed. Now we have covered trim entities command, extend entities command, convert entities command, and uh, what what we have covered, offset entities command. Now time to learn mirror entities. Delete this sketch. Sorry, delete this extrude cut command. Yes. Delete this sketch also. Delete that extruded wash base. Select this sketch and edit sketch. Select all these 4 lines by dragging cursor right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side. Now select mirror entities command. For mirror entity command, we need to define axis for mirror entities. Select this line, sorry, mirror above this line. Yes. Now you can see 50 mm by 100 mm rectangular get mirror by using this reference axis. This is a mirror entities command. You can practice. For advanced use of this command, when we start a machine design lecture, you can see what is the benefit of trim entities, extend entities, offset entities, and mirror entities command. In these 4 commands, mostly use the trim entities and extend entities command. Mirror entities command is rarely used. Offset entities command is also a majorly used in industry, sketch and part design. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe the Machine Design Engineer YouTube channel. Thank you.